First in India. Who was the first British to visit India? The answer Thomas Roe. Who was the first Chinese pilgrim to visit India? The answer Faihan. Who was the first Indian to reach Antarctica? The answer Lieutenant Ramcharan. Who was the first judge in the International Court of Justice from India? The answer Dr. Nagendra Singh. Who was the first Muslim president of the Indian National Congress? The answer Badruddin Tayyabji. Where was the first post office in India opened? The answer Kolkata. Whose wax statue was the first of a living Indian at Madame Tussauds? The answer Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the first Lok Sabha member elected with a record maximum number of votes? The answer P.V. Narasimha Rao. Which was India's first open university? The answer Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University. Which was India's first university? The answer Nalanda University. Who was India's first man in space? The answer Rakesh Sharma. Who was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha? The answer Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar. Who was the first and last Muslim woman ruler of India? The answer Rajia Sultan. Who was the first and last Indian to be Governor General of Free India? The answer C. Rajgopalachari. Who was the first British Governor General of Bengal? The answer Lord Warren Hastings. Who was the first British Governor General of India? The answer Lord William Bentinck. Who was the first British Viceroy of India? The answer Lord Canning. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? The answer Sukumar Sen. Who was the first Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India? The answer Justice Hiralal J. Kania. Who was the first Chief of Army Staff? The answer General Maharaj Rajendra Singh Ji. Who was the first Education Minister of India? The answer Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Who was the first Field Marshal of India? The answer SHF Manek Shah. Who was the first Governor General of Free India? The answer Lord Mountbatten. Who was the first Home Minister of India? The answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who was the first Indian Air Chief Marshal? The answer Subrato Mukherjee. Who was the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of India? The answer General Cariappa. Who was the first Indian member of the Viceroy's Executive Council? The answer S.P. Sinha. Who was the first Indian Naval Chief? The answer Vice Admiral R.D. Katari. Who was the first Indian pilot? The answer J.R.D. Tata. Who was the first Indian to cross the English Channel? The answer Mihir Sen. Who was the first Indian to get the Nobel Prize in Physics? The answer C.V. Raman. Who was the first Indian to join the Indian Civil Services? The answer, Satyendra Nath Tagore. Who was the first Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna Award? The answer, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize? The answer, Rabindranath Tagore. Who was the first judge of the International Court of Justice? The answer, Dr. Nagendra Singh. Who was the first Indian woman to become Miss World? The answer, Rita Faria. Who was the first person to introduce the printing press in India? The answer, James Augustus Hickey. Who was the first Muslim president of India? The answer, Dr. Zakir Hussain. Who was the first person of Indian origin to receive the Nobel Prize in Medicine? The answer, Hargobind Khurana. Who was the first person to get the Paramveer Chakra? The answer, Major Somnath Sharma. Who was the first person to reach Mount Everest without oxygen? The answer, Sherpa Anga Dorji. Who was the first person to receive the Gyanpith Award? The answer, Shankar Kurup. Who was the first person to receive the Magsaysay Award? The answer, Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Who was the first person to receive the Nobel Prize in Economics? The answer, Amartya Sen. Who was the first person to receive the Stalin Prize? The answer, Saifuddin Kichlu. Who was the first person to resign from the Central Cabinet? The answer, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. Who was the first president of India who died while in office? The answer, Dr. Zakir Hussain. Who was the first president of the Indian National Congress? The answer, W.C. Banerjee. Who was the first president of the Indian Republic? The answer, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the first Prime Minister of Free India? The answer, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first Prime Minister of India who did not face the Parliament? The answer, Charan Singh. Who was the first Prime Minister of India who resigned without completing the full term? The answer, Morarji Desai. Who was the first Vice President of India? This last question is for you. Do answer the question in the comment section and share your valuable feedback and your score.